Want to make extra money online? $1,000 per day from different skills. You can follow these skills to earn online lots of money. Let's get started video. How to make money on 30 ideas to inspire you in 2022. Over the past several years, testing quickly ways to make money online from the comfort to our homes is on the rise. The magic of the web is that it is a powerful sales channel marketing network and community hub all in one place. How to make money online? For great ideas, sell stuff online. Start a dropshipping business. Start freelancing. Start print on demand. Create a custom product to sell online. To make choosing the best way to make money online easier, we will look at several key factors. Start your online business for free. Sell stuff online. One of the best money making ideas for quick cash is selling stuff online. For example, you can sell clothes, furniture, and handbags from your own home. The more places your products are available to buy, more likely people are to find them. There are hundreds of online selling sites with their own special niche. Start a dropshipping business. Consider dropshipping startup cost at low. At Shopify, we regularly see these categories on our list of top performers: clothing and accessories, jewelry, home and garden. Start freelancing. As increasingly popular home business idea is offering freelance services. Clients online freelance. Collect customer evidence, case studies and testimonials. Print on demand. Create custom products. 25 more ways to make money online. Sale on eBay. Sale on Amazon. Sell digital products. Sell media. Time to for payment varies depending on the commerce platform you see to all your media. Start blogging. Growth in affiliate marketing can be sporadic. Thanks for watching.